Hey YouTubers, salud! Not much of a drinker, but I wanted to share one with you guys. Well, here I am with the fourth box of Wibargain.com. My third box, if you were watching my videos, was a disaster. I'm gonna give you an update before I open this one up. I called them up because they gave me the actual wrong box. I was supposed to get a Target Premium, which has electronics and actually premium stuff. And I actually got an Amazon return, which was basically Ziploc bags and garbage bags. I called, I emailed them and complained. Since it's final returns, they offered me a $50 credit coupon for my next purchase. I am not sure yet I'm going to take that or just try to get a full refund because it was really a disaster. This one, let's see how it goes, and then maybe I'll decide to use that $50 coupon or not. This is a cosmetic box. It's a new thing that came out. It's a $75 box. With my coupon code, I paid $58. Let's see how it goes. Ready? Came pretty much open also in the mail. And we've got a few stuff here. Let's see what we've got. Okay. We've got little blenders, brand new in the box. We've got actually 4 pieces in here. That's good. All us makeup girls use that. Oh, we have a good file here. It's a sturdy core, resist bending, Japanese square dual-sided salon. I was actually looking for one of these. These can run you like $6.99. When you buy those cheap files, they break your nails, so you always want to spend a little more on a good file. I was actually about to buy one, so now I have it, so I'm happy there. That's good, not bad. This is basically saying thank you. Well, let's see. I got an empty box. I don't know if it's in there. We'll find out. Okay. Peanuts and more peanuts. Oh, it's actually right here. It's a 16-hour camo concealer finish. A little too white for me, but it's a medium sand. It's brand new, I believe. Don't think it's used. Let's see. Doesn't look used. Not my color, but something I can definitely resell. Ooh. This is called Val Lock Ash. This is a hair coloring. Not to hurt the hair, easy to wash. No stiff, natural setting. This product is a one-time hair, water, soap, non-greasy, natural, smell. What is this? So it's basically gives you a tone to your hair. It's like a toner, which you can use after you dye your hair and like in between, so your hair doesn't turn orange. Actually, I've never seen it like that. It's like a cream. This might be expensive, maybe $19.99. Something like that. I'm gonna look that up. This looks interesting. All right. Eyelash curler. No way! I was actually gonna buy this. This is great. This is for when your eyelashes are a little straight and you want to curl them up. It, kind of heats it up a little bit. So that's what I was looking for. It's brand new. I'll take it. So far, I like the box for myself. I love makeup. And what is it? So this is Maybelline cover up. I can definitely sell this. This is brand new. Does not seem used. Let me see. Nope, doesn't seem used. Might be a return. Have to double check it. It's a dark color. Definitely can sell. Stuff we can sell for cheap, but we can sell it. Oh, this is 100%. Nope, 10% acid serum. Very good. L'Oreal. Another thing I'll use for me. So far, I want to keep the box. So far, I like it. I think I want another one. Also, Maybelline. This is not used. It's actually closed, but it looks kind of. Oh, this is looks like blush. Blush. Brand new. I can also sell. And this is by far my favorite mascara. This one is my favorite CVS brand or Walgreens or Walmart, wherever you want to get it. When you're waiting for the one that you actually like. My favorite is Thrive, and this is my second favorite. for Walgreens, CVS. So I'm also keeping all of this. And I guess Maybelline is the one that I'm getting them with. This is more foundation. Also looks new. And we have more foundation. But this is all stuff that I can sell. You know, not very expensive, but like I said, I'm keeping most of this stuff. We have another one. Okay. Oh, nice. We have Burt's Bee brow pencil. Brown, so that's something that I can use. It's not very expensive, but definitely can use it. This is cream for the face. Yep, it's a recovery cream, kind of moisturizer. Stuff like this usually goes for $19.99. I have to look it up, but again, I want to keep it all. We have e.l.f. bronzer. Some people use this as a bronzer, some people use it as a blush. Also, maybe stuff my daughter can use. And we have another e.l.f. liquid metallic eyeshadow. It looks like it was opened and returned. And ooh, we have nail polish. Let's see. Now, when it comes to makeup, nail polish, lipstick, you name it, I love. I probably have about 100 of them. This is something I can't sell because I can see it was pretty much opened, but something I can use at home as well. Ooh, we have more foundation, so we'll be selling all of that. And this is, oh, lip makeup blossom. This is cool. But this was used, we can't use it because it's something too personal. Looks used, not sure. I'll tell you right now. Nope, doesn't look used. It smells good. It's a roll-on lip gloss and it has like little flowers in there. So pretty. I'm glad it's not used. When it comes to lipstick, it's just a little too personal for my touch. More mascara. A woman can never have enough mascara. We have more, oh, Neutrogena. I love that brand for makeup. So more foundation. And we have, wow, this is very pretty. This is a liquid makeup lipstick. It stays dry in your lips and it lasts a long time. I love the color. It's like a nude color, brand new. There, I'll take it. And oh. So this is something that I love. This is an eyeliner, and you can actually draw your head. There's two of them actually in here. There we go. Eyeliner. One is looks like it's a dark black, and the other one looks like it's a dark brown. Very good. And we have brand new blush, which is very good. e.l.f. And my favorite lip liner brand, NYY. Not used and in red. Actually, the color I use a lot. And we have Born to Glow more concealer, also the same brand, NYY. So we have a lot of concealer and a lot of foundation in this bag. And Maybelline Dream BB. This is actually good. This is for like pimples, acne cream. A lot of stuff I can use. Again, to sell, very, very little. Again, I have I believe two more boxes coming that I ordered everything. I tried to order one of each one to see what's your best option. Waiting for the electronic one. Let's see. Would I be buying this after I try each one of them to resell? I haven't had the much luck. The only box I've had luck with is my first one, which was the Target one, which was shoes. Not expensive shoes, but it was doable, you know, to make a little bit of money. But as of now, don't waste your time on these boxes unless you want to have fun and goodies and stuff like that, and maybe try one out. But besides that, thanks for watching. Please hit your like and subscribe to keep on watching. Have a good one.